Hello everyone, I'm Arnold from Novastar training team. It's my great pleasure to have a discussion with Mr. Deegan Lee, who is an experienced technical engineer.
Yes, thank you, Arnold. Hi everyone, this is Deacon from Novastar.
Hi Deegan, during your support experience, is there anything unforgettable for you?
Yeah, for sure. Still, I remember when I was new in Novastar, I did one on-site support.
Yes.
That was my first time to see such a big project. It took me around 2 hours to help clients finish the big LED screen and backup settings.
Okay, but you know that I think it's normal.
Yeah, the control system part is normal. After all, our system is very reliable, but experience the best Novastar engineer always make sure the client's screen can work perfectly. So I kept helping with other front devices. They surprised me.
Okay, what happened then? Could you tell me more?
Yeah, for sure. To let the screen can show the image, just a beginning of a project. To show the colorful image from different sources on the screen is the most important thing.
Really? I remember you mentioned some, that front devices. What are they?
It's just a switcher and splicer. No matter switcher or splicers, they are the most important part in one big project.
So you mean the switcher and the splicer? So I know something about them. Switcher get two features. One is you can select the video source as what you want. And the other feature is you could edit the content first and make things at all good. Then take them live to screen. Moreover, you can save all things as precise. But for the splicer, it's totally different. If the LED screen is too big, you need to splice multiple sources into one completed video source, right?
Yeah, correct. You already know that.
Yeah, as your description, we need both of them, and if it is really a big event, maybe more than one device of each kind.
In old days, yes, but now we have G6, which embedded splicer and switcher together.
Wow, G6 sounds nice. I believe this big guy is G6.
Yeah.
So could you tell me more about it?
For sure. The J6 is Novastar high performance seamless switcher, and that integrates the video processing features and also screen mosaic, transition effect, and multi-screen capabilities, and it will just simplify your project.
Wow, great. As you mentioned the video sources, so tell me how many inputs and outputs does the J6 support?
Well, let me show you now. For the J6, it has 8 inputs actually, including one HDMI 1.4 and including one HDMI 1.4 or DP 1.1, including 4 DVI inputs and 2 3G SDI. For the outputs, it got 8 DVI outputs, including 4 DVI backup, and our DVI output can be used as single link mode or dual link mode. What's more, there got one more HDMI output that's for preview.
Wow, the J6 seems pretty good. So, any advanced feature it has?
For sure, the J6 just supports 6 layers and each layer up to 4K by 2K. And it also supports 3 kinds of image scaling modes. The first is pixel to pixel, the full screen, and customized. And also this one supports 10 presets, and you can load it by click one button.
Okay, Deegan, I got one more question for you. So, if the customer wants to load their company's logo, so does the J6 support it?
Yeah, the J6 must support that. J6 supports those image BKG, background.
Wow.
Yeah. And the pure color BKG. At most, you can save 6 BKG, and also you can just capture input source image and use it as BKG as well.
Wow, wonderful. So I think I'm convinced by these advanced features, but you know that I'm the man who has a good memorizing. You have mentioned the word simplify. So tell me, are there any simpler ways to control the J6?
Yeah, for sure. For the JSON, we got three ways to control that. The first one, we can use the front panel, by rotating knobs and clicking buttons. And also we can use software which named Weekend. Also, we can use a cancel named C1 to control J6.
Oh, after your explanation, I think the J6 can play an important role in rental event.
Yep, and I hope J6 can help your events better and better.
Alright, thank you Dagan, thank you for sharing the J6 to us. This is J6, this is Nova Star, experience the best.